Hello everyone. Have you do you remember something that's happened to you, good thing, and you begin to cry? I have a friend who was looking for a baby, has not seen the fruit of the womb for almost 20 years. Though I didn't really know about the matter inside and out, a lot of things happen to her. And I never know. I'm not all that kind of person that enter into people's matter. I wait for you to tell me your matter. But when I see you are in problem, I took it upon myself and I will go to God in prayer. I've been praying for her. And you know what's happened? This month, she gave birth to twins, a boy and a girl. Hey, God. I'm just telling you what is happening in this month of November. Oh, God. She gave birth. And I happily rushed to her house. The baby was plumpy. The boy looked like the daddy a lot. And the girl looked like the mommy a lot. But when she was telling me the story, she burst into cry and I began to cry. Why did I cry? Years ago, I took her to my church and the children we were doing a Mother's Day. Children rush into their mothers to give flower. Even my own children have not come. She burst into cry. Have somebody cried around you and you felt crying? I cried. When I reached home, I could not eat. And you know why I can't cry now? I don't know. It's a month of November and it's a month of joy. I can see happiness. When she called me, she have given birth. I didn't see her all through when she was pregnant. I didn't see her. I was searching for her. Where's my friend? I don't know, my friend is pregnant and passing through a lot of challenges during the pregnancy. But those challenges is what we use and give God glory. When someone is sick during pregnancy, as long as you come out and you give birth to that child, people just shout hallelujah. They will never know what you pass through. And that is why only a woman know what he passed through, especially when the birthday month of your child come. You remember all the pains. You remember the labor. You remember the pregnancy. You remember the joy you have exactly that day. And that is why women come out to shout happy birthday. Happy birthday to anyone. And I want to say happy birthday in advance to everyone that is born in this month of November. Do you know that the twins, they are born them and we are crying? I remember the cry, the mother cried because she have not given birth. And when I get to the house, I started cry. And this cry wasn't the type of cry she cried before. It was cry of joy. It doesn't matter. I want to encourage someone, you have not given birth. Someone that is believing God for the fruit of the womb for 20 years, give birth just yesterday. You will give birth to your own. But make sure you are also checking yourself. Go to the hospital. If that is not hospital case, if that is God's case, trust and believe in him. Let me tell you, he will do it. Sometimes he will do it when you didn't expect it. And this is why I'm crying and laughing and happy, because my own friend has given birth this time. Twins, a boy and a girl. Oh, it's tears of joy is falling out of my eyes.